Hi, you are welcome to GMats class. Now today we want to look at a question under quadratic equation. Now let's look at the question. Now find the values of k and p if the roots of 4y squared plus 2 plus k y minus p equals to 0 are minus 3 and one whole number 3 over 4. Now to answer this question, we need to understand that the roots of this quadratic equation are this. The roots are this. That is, when you solve this, you have this. And we can also generate a quadratic equation whose roots are this. And that's what I'm going to do. So I will now compare with this one that we have here. So now we start by saying y equals to minus 3 or y equals to one whole number 3 over 4. So we are using y because this quadratic is in terms of y. Okay, so you bring this one to this side, we have y plus 3 equals to 0, or y equals to, so you convert this one to improper fraction. So we have 4 times 1, 4, plus 3, that's 7 over 4. Okay, so we have y plus 3 equals to 0, or, so when you cross multiply, you have 4y equals to 7. So you can move this one to this side. We have y plus 3 equals to 0, or 4y minus 7 equals to 0. Okay, so now the next thing is to bring this and this together. So we have y plus 3 times 4y minus 7 equals to 0. Alright, so the next thing now is to expand. We have y open bracket 4y minus 7 plus 3. You take the second one, you put it beside this. You have 4y minus 7 equals to 0. Okay, so let's open the bracket. Y times 4y, you have 4y squared. Y times minus 7, you have minus 7y, plus 3 times 4y, you have 12y. 3 times minus 7, you have minus 21 equals to 0. Okay, so the next thing now is to have 4y squared. So when you add this and this together, you have 5y. So you have plus 5y minus 21 equals to 0. Now the next thing now is to compare this equation and this together, so that we'll be able to get the k and the p. Now before we do that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please ensure you do that. Like and share with your friends. Now let's compare. So let's compare this and this. Now it's so clear now that this and this are the same thing. So that means the coefficient of y here must be equal to the coefficient of y here. So that means I have 2 plus k equals to what? 5, the coefficient of y here. So you can now have k to be equals to 5 minus 2, and k is what? 3. Okay, so the last one, we have minus p equals to minus 21 by comparing. So now you can multiply both sides by minus 1. So we have p equals to what? 21. So this is the result of this problem. So I want to believe that you gain one or two things. If this video is interesting to you, ensure you subscribe, you share with your friends. Thank you. So based on what we just did now, can you try this question? If y and if 3 and 14 are the roots of x squared plus 3 plus k x minus p equals to 0, find the values of k and p. Now I want you to try it and drop your answer at the comment section. So you tell me what k is and what p is.